in this work. This is the working method, everything. Now you may ask your doubts in this.
No major doubts. You see what final submission in days means 25. After 25 days, I have to give it to you. So actual work is for 30 days, but after 25, I must submit all the work.
Yes, I'll tell you. The actual submission days are 15 days and 30 days only. So these are, so those who are working for 2 to 3 hours extra per day, for that people, so to get as earlier as possible the salary for that people, so they can submit the work in 20 days also. Means I give, for example, 30 days you are working. After submission of 30 days of work, 7 to 12 working days means 40th day, 42nd day you are going to get the salary. But if you submit the work in with 20 on 20th day or 21st day, you will get the salary on 30th day or 31st day. Some people may have some monthly commitments. So for that people it is very helpful. Okay, now to get the salary, because and you cannot submit the work 6 days or 5 days. So people say that, so okay, I will submit the work in 5 days or 6 days. Okay, so this is 90% is very flexible to the customer only. 10% you have to follow the rules and regulations. One is in time submission, and the second is accuracy maintain karna, and third is the other parameters follow karna. Because this is the data entry work we are providing for only genuine people and only for individuals only. Those who are financially weak, those who are unable to get the job outside, so for that people only we are providing. And bulk projects or group wise work, office work, so we are not providing these projects. So for that reason, so you have to follow all these guidelines. Okay, because for on some special purpose only, so we are performing this one. Because as a Ramakrishna Math devotee, so to give some guidelines, so to give some special jobs to the work from home people, so genuinely we are providing this work. So finally, so we tied up with 2 companies, one is New Delhi and one is Kerala, eBits and iTech Solutions. 6.5 years of contract period it is. So 3 years ho gaya, so on 3.5 years projects are available here. So you will get in time work and in time salary. Okay, now next, any other doubts in this project?
No, that's all.
And one more thing, so in middle I told you, so you will not get the project if your work is in unsubmission, you will not get into the registration fee back. Means see, this is totally 10 months contract period, right? In this 10 months contract period, continuously it's not compulsory to continue the work, right? Some people may have some problems in between this 10 months of contract period. So every year students will get examinations. So one month, 1.5 month they cannot perform the work. So I can reject the work, right? Chance is there. So otherwise some function is going on in the home. So brother marriage, sister marriage, something. 25 days, 30 days you cannot perform the work. At that time we can reject the work. No. So it's not like that. If you have any problem, send one request to help desk. Sir, so and so date, I am unable to process the data. Please hold my work these many days. Send me next assignment after my confirmation or after this date. Our submission department will hold the data on your customer ID and they will send you the work after your confirmation only. So without intimation, you are not submitting the work means, so it goes to rejection. Okay, but after sending the work you should not say any reasons. So before allotting the work itself, you have to send the request to the company, because after your request only company is sending. It is your responsibility to submit the work in time. Submit करके leave ले सकता है. Some people may ask us that, sir, 1 or 2 days extra time चाहिए बोल के. So normally company will provide you 1 or 2 days extra only. You have to utilize the days and you have to submit the work in time. Still, if you have any problem, if it is a genuine reason, from that submission date 2 to 3 days before, send one request to help desk. 1 or 2 days extra compulsory we provide you for new people. 2 to 3 months, so we provide you the extra time also. Okay, then by using that time you have to submit the work in time. Okay, and you can cancel the work also. So sometimes people may get a serious problem after allotting the work also. Okay, at that time also we can consider it. After allotting the work, within 5 to 6 days you can send one request to help desk for the cancellation. So due to some strong reason I am unable to process the data, extremely sorry for the inconvenience, I will not repeat this next month onwards, please cancel my current assignment. So company people will cancel your current assignment and no rejection, no fine fee, nothing will be there. Okay, you will get the next assignment date and time. Okay, and next.
No, that's good.
See, you have done first trial work. First trial you have done and you received 40% of QC report. And so you did second trial work also. That also reporting with 50% of accuracy, not much accuracy. And you have to perform the real work. Is it possible?
No, I don't think so.
Because see what happens, some people, those who are following our trial report, it's a training package. For that people, second trial work will get 95% above only. But some people may all these reports will be in English only. They cannot read the data and analyze how to perform it. For that people, project will get into loss only. For that people, here we provide you the training also. 1 week training will be there. Here how to start the work, how to download, how to send it from scratch to advanced. 1 week training we provide the training. 1 day full training in 2 sessions we provide the training here. So we provide you that notes and everything, and we give the training in the computers. In its 1 week training they will perform the work according to our guidelines. So automatically accuracy comes out. So accuracy coming means we have to pay the amount to the customers. Means reject projects hai to it is possible, nahi to possible nahi hota. So those who are unable to perform the work after a trial work also not an issue. We provide you the training. That's all. Okay. For this 1 week of training we charge around 500 rupees for the training. 1 month duration. How many people are unable to process the data? For that people group wise we conduct the training classes. You will get the mail also. So company will decide whether you need training or not. Okay. So no chance of rejection for the customer. Training also there means no chance, right? Like this. And sometimes, and one more thing, now you may think that so better to go for, and I will tell you so which plan is best for the customers. Okay, so many people they think that so now I will go for 150 page plan, first one, then so after 1 month or 2 months or 3 months I will go for bigger plan. Okay, that is wrong assumption. And one more thing, here we are not going to give you the work per head 2 to 3 projects, per head only 1 project only, because there is no plan upgradation. Why? Because here one customer ID. So after your registration we are providing one customer ID. On the customer ID in the server 10 months of work will be allotted. So one slot will be there. We cannot shift one slot to another slot. It is a Oracle database, so we cannot change it. So it is, that's what here company, here customer, if we analyze deeply, easily we can analyze which plan is the best one. Okay, so though for other side what happens, whatever plan you take it, so many files they will allot you. Means if you go for 250 allot you, 600 allot you. So better whether I am performing or not I don't know. That's what past 1 or 2 months I can perform lesser files, then I go for bigger plan. That is correct only. But here whatever plan you take, company itself will provide you only less files. Only 250 to 300 files we provide you, daily 8 to 10 pages of work. Any slow person also can do the work. Alright, so like that you can perform the work. Now I'll tell you. So if you don't have any money problem or money adjust ho jaye to, so better to go for 600 page plan. Why it is the best plan? Just if we look into inside, one customer will come to our office and sir I want to go for 450 page plan, please give me the 450 forms. Okay, I will ask them, I will tell them that sir don't go for that one, it is better for you, better to go for 600 pages only. No sir, according to my plan, according to my capacity and my timing, I can perform only 450 files. Okay, you can go for 450 also. I will explain you one time, then you can decide yourself. See here. So person will pay 5,500 rupees and it is 450 pages, 24 rupees per page, 10,800 rupees. It is perfect only. Now just look into here, it is 5,500, 6,600 rupees. How much is the difference here? 11 rupees difference for 1 month or 10 months?
For 10 months.
For 10 months it is. And 450 pages and 600 pages. How many pages difference? 150 pages. The person who is performing 450 files, if he perform daily 1 hour, in 1 month duration he can perform another 150 files. But not compulsory to perform 600 files here. Here also you can perform 250 files or 300 or 350. That is up to 600 files, not exactly 600 files. Company itself first 2 to 3 months provide you 250 300 only, means only lesser package.
Right.
Because if you are not doing the work, company will get into loss because of real projects. See, you go for this one, it is 115 days, 150 means daily 10 pages load. It is 250 pages, 30 means daily 8 pages loads. It is 15 pages, it is 20 pages. Here also you will get 250 to 300 files only. Okay, after 2 to 3 months you can improve your work, you can speed up yourself. Then if you want to, if you are wish to complete 600 pages, you can perform it. Otherwise you can perform 300 files also, not an issue. 26 rupees per page, 2 rupees is the difference. 2 months होने के बाद if you perform the work for 600 files you perform हो गया, क्योंकि सी 4 मनी आ रहे बोले तो 4 पेजेस ज़्यादा करने के लिए सोचते हैं कस्टमर. सो थर्ड मंथ you performed 600 pages. How much you are getting? 15,600 rupees. How much is the difference in between these two?
5,000.
Around 5,000 rupees. 4,800 rupees is the difference for 1 month or 10 months.
For 1 month.
1 month. So this is totally 10 months contract period. 10 months into 4,800 rupees. 48,000 rupees loss only, no? If the customer work for this one, workload is same for all the packages. So here also you can perform 450 files. 450 into 26 rupees per page, you will get more money. The 11 rupees what you have paid 1 month only you will get back. Next month जो आ रहा है वो भी ज़्यादा रहता ना, right? क्यों इतना difference आ रहा है? For what purpose this much of difference? Means this is the 2%. This 2 rupees is giving this much of difference. And this is 4 rupees difference, it is 6 rupees difference. How much is the difference? So ज़्यादा difference रहता, इसीलिए so मनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं तो so adjust हो जाए तो better to go for 600 page plan, नहीं तो in lower package plan 250 is the best plan. Why? Because in this 150 page plan we don't have any features. Because in 10 months of contract period you will have only 15 days of work every month. So 5 months work loss हो जाएगा इधर. You have to 15 days you have to sit idle only. And 150 pages means 10 pages of load daily and 20 rupees per page. If you look at here, look at 30 days of duration, means 10 months of work, 5 months work ज़्यादा रहता.
Understood.
And 8 pages of data. Workload is less, paper page is more, contract period is more. So in lower package this is the best plan, higher package this is the best plan. If possible better to go for this one, or you can take any other plan, no problem, because company will get on 1 month registrations, so you will get only same commission from the company. So just on our experience we give you some information only. Okay, and this is about so which plan is the best plan. Any other doubts?
No.
So you worked over, you received, you registered with the company. Within 2 days you will you received the work also. You did the trial work and QC repeat is over. Main work also over, and you received the main QC report, and you received 90% of accuracy in your first month of work. Okay, and you opted for bank transfer. So within 1 or 2 days you have to get the amount from the company. Okay, there was no payment from the company in your bank. Then question correct है ना? Correct है ना? Yeah, there is no payment from the company. Then okay, yesterday Saturday, today is Sunday, banks holiday है. Okay, Monday evening check करेगा, Tuesday evening भी check करेगा बोल के सोचते हैं आप. Okay, 2 days भी हो गया. So there is no response from the company. Then no next work and no salary.
Yeah, I should call.
First तो help desk mail करेगा. So mail करेगा because any problem help desk is there.
Yeah.
Okay, help desk is there. So and so date I submitted my work. So and so date I received my QC report. It was reporting with 90% of accuracy, and so salary I allotted with this QC report. But till date I did not get any payment in my bank. Please look after it. Look after it. So you sent one mail. There was no reply from the help desk. Then you can call us. They will call to customer care number is there. So you will call to customer care number. They will ask you your customer ID. Please tell me your customer ID. So it opens each and every part. Okay, in which date, in which plan you did. So everything it shows your status. Okay, from your side everything is perfect, sir. There is no problem. Okay, your main QC report also हो गया. So accuracy also 90% of above hai, no problem, but till that time we did not get any amount from our clients. So please wait for 4 to 5 days or 6 to 7 days. We will call you and we will give you your money. Don't worry about this one. So we give you 100% support. बोल के reply आया. Communication is very proper. So and in middle you ask, sir, I sent one request to help desk but no reply from the help desk. Then you can say, we can say you that no, reply is not there from our clients. We did not get any information. That's what we could not place the query solution. So please wait. So you will get the in time. So communication proper रहता, you will not get any negative thought from the company because working procedure ऐसा रहता. You will wait for 6 to 7 days. Over 7 days हो गया, 8 days हो गया, there is no response from the company. Then correct question only now. So nowadays so many things happening like this only, right? So in meanwhile you will call to the company. Again you call to company. Phone is not lifting. You may assume that okay sir, maybe in demo class or something 3 to 4 hours we cannot disturb the class. Okay, I will call to after 3 to 4 hours. 3 hours भी call किया, busy आ रहा, और कॉल किया, समथिंग प्रॉब्लम, एंगेज आ रहा, समथिंग ये और नेक्स्ट कॉल किया, फ़ोन स्विच ऑफ हो गया, समथिंग प्रॉब्लम. 1 टाइम आता, 2nd टाइम आता, 3rd टाइम आता, और बार आ जाता नहीं. यू विल गेट वन नेगेटिव थाट बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पेशेंसी रहता है सर कस्टमर को. नो पेशेंसी बिकॉज पहले मनी पे करके बाद में 1 month हार्ड वर्क काम करके then you are waiting for 7 to 12 days for to get the QC report. After our request you are waiting for 1 week of time. Then wait करना बोले तो no chance, you cannot wait. So directly you can come to the office, right? You will come to the office and you can say, can you talk normally? No, everything will be in abnormal way only, right? You may ask, sir, I don't want your work, I don't want your salary also, I will go for another source, please give me my registration fee, otherwise I know what I have to do. So what we do that one? You may ask us, right? For example, in customers, those who are asking, sir, we are doing the work and from your side we are not getting any salary or any work we are not getting. And then so what is the responsibility? Are you responsible for this one? So if anybody asks me, then I will tell that yes, we are responsible for everything. If you are not getting any salary from the company, if you are not getting any work, then we are responsible. In the demo class I am saying in time work रहता, in time salary रहता, but from my mouth I am telling anything. Politicians can say anything, but they cannot follow. But here we provide you in your agreement. It will says that if you are unable to, if the first party is unable to provide the data or salary, then user total security deposit will be refunded by the first party, including your salary. The agreement I will show you how it will be means. No, for more clarification I will tell you. So this is the payment section form we provide you. The payment mode is in which mode you need the payment, you have to enter into this one. And this is your agreement paper. 100 rupees bond paper भी रहता है, इधर भी दे सकते हैं, 100 rupees extra होता bond paper के लिए. So which plan you are taking here, and so how much money you are paying here, how much accuracy you are getting from the company, because now I am giving 26 rupees per page. After completion of 3 months I will give you 20 rupees per page. What is the guarantee? Right, so you can ask sir, last time 26 rupees में पे किया ना, अभी 20 rupees क्यों दे रहे हैं बोले तो वो पसंद भी नहीं रहता इधर. सो नो 20 रुपीज़ ओनली. आज ज़्यादा आर्गुमेंट हो जाए तो ओके, वो टाइम पर 26 है ना, अभी 20 है, करते करो नहीं तो मत करो, राइट? सो ऐसा नहीं रहता इधर. द डे यू आर टेकिंग द पैकेज प्लान, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस ओनली यू हैव टू रिसीव द पेमेंट. Okay, and termination of contract, only 2 conditions. If your accuracy is below 30% or if your work is in unsubmission. For sincere people it will not apply, they can maintain above 40% work only and they will submit the work in time. For sincere people, refundable conditions. If you attain 95% of accuracy any 2 times, 100% fee will be refundable. Otherwise 94% of accuracy, 40% will be refunded, the remaining 60% will be taken as a project fee. And see here, if the first party is unable to provide the data or salary, then use the total security deposit will be refunded by the first party, including your salary, both the parties. So you can sign it over here. We will give you one copy with you and with the company also. And these are terms and conditions. So we have to follow all these rules and regulations. And you know MOU, right? What is MOU? MOU means Memorandum of Understanding. Okay, this is 6 pages of agreement. Okay, so from this one, according to this we have to follow and you have to follow. Those who are not following this one, they are punishable. Okay, so this is also both side agreement. So you will keep you one paper with you and one paper with the company, and this is your receipt also, on which date and which plan you paid the money to the company. So everything will be there. So one copy at with you only. If you face any problem with our side, okay, you can create one FIR also. 100% support आपको ही रहता, right? So up to here it is very perfect, no problem. Now here Extreme Technologies board है, इधर company है. After 3 to 4 months this company is not there, board नहीं है इधर का company नहीं है. Then अभी तक आप ऑलरेडी बोल दिया, ऑलरेडी पूछा, 6 months का बाद कंपनी नहीं है उधर, राइट? सो वो भी हो सकता है, लेकिन दिस इज रजिस्टर्ड बाय गवर्नमेंट ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश, दिस इज द रजिस्ट्रेशन फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश. किधर भी जाने का चांस ही नहीं रहता, किधर भी जाओ हम लोग पकड़ जाएगा, तो चांस ही नहीं रहता. एंड दीज आर आवर रेंटल एग्रीमेंट, दिस इज एंड दिस इज द लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट्स ऑफ दिस कंपनी. ओके ना? सो हम लोग से 100% परफेक्ट रहता. सो कस्टमर ठीक से काम करे तो बस है. ओके, सो अभी तक ये डिटेल्स आपको मैं बताया. अभी जो रिक्वायर आप एक्स्ट्रा डिटेल्स जो चाहिए तो आपको अनलिस्टेड मेल ID एक दिया, info@extremehelp@gmail.com. you can send to that company that mail ID and you can get the query solution. Now I will show you how to start the work and how to end the work. Briefly I will tell you how to start and how to